Hello friends, let's make a Victorian-style Christmas tree decoration together with Julie Atelier today. And we will take toilet paper rolls as a basis. We squeeze the roll and mark equal intervals on 1.5 centimeters and then cut the roll into even parts. You know that I love to create handmade decorations, especially for Christmas, but I also love upcycling. So from time to time on this channel, I will teach you how to make treasure from trash. You should join me. Using super glue, we connect the parts in the form of a flower with 6 or 8 petals. The quantity of petals depends on your decision. I use Ukrainian super glue. I connect each part one by one. It's easy. And when all petals will be together, we should let it dry. When our bases will be ready, we should paint them. So, I paint the finished bases with silver spray paint. You should do this outdoors or in a well-ventilated room. You can also paint the base with acrylic paint using a brush. I choose vintage pictures in a Victorian style, and this time I have chimney sweeps with piglets, and I cut out pictures and preparing them for decorations. They are very cute, I think. So, after the base dries, I coat it with acrylic varnish and sprinkle with silver glitter. So I think you can invite your children to join this magical process and they will be happy to use magical glitter and make a Christmas wish, for example. So I put the base into the box so I can use this glitter again and again. It's very easy. And be sure to coat the end part so that the glitter sticks too. Yeah. I had some leftover silver ribbon, so I decided to use it for this Christmas decoration. I sewed it with the large stitches and gathered it on a thread. After this, I connected the edges of the lace and it turned out a snowflake. You will see now. But you can use other color of lace, for example. I will show you two different way how to make decoration. So, snowflake. For the second base, I took a ribbon of matte silver crepe paper. I folded it and I sewed it along the edge. So it should be nice. I also connected the edges with super glue and it turned out a vintage rosette. Especially I like this matte silver color. it's a little bit vintage. The next step, we need to glue these elements to our base. And I use also super glue. Like this. I add some silver leaves and berries, and on the top I glue a Victorian picture. You will see now. Look, easy and beautiful. So one decoration is ready. I glued silver lace on the base also, and put a picture on the top in the center of Christmas tree decoration. And I also decided to add a few decorative flowers. So, small flowers, also winter style we have. So, subscribe on my channel and let's make beautiful things together.